We're here today at 1862 Cascades Drive in Greenfield, Indiana.
This stunning farmhouse-style home offers a picturesque pond view with a fountain.
We're here today at 1862 Cascades Drive in Greenfield, Indiana at this lovely 4-bedroom with an office. So let's take a look inside.
The kitchen is designed for the modern chef, featuring granite countertops, a spacious island with extra cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances.
We have living, kitchen, dining,
Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows throughout the kitchen and great room, enhancing the open concept layout with style and durability.
Before we head upstairs, we'll go ahead and take a look at the office at the back of the house. This is the door to the garage. This is the 2-car garage. We've got a small half bath. And a small office area.
The home also includes an upgraded ADT security system with cameras, providing peace of mind. Upstairs, you'll find the convenience of a laundry room near the bedrooms, making daily chores effortless. With its blend of luxury, comfort, and thoughtful design, this home is ready to welcome you.
And then we have our laundry room.
Inside, you'll be impressed by the huge primary bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom, offering a private retreat.
To the left is the master or primary bedroom. Very spacious. Has an ensuite. And a large walk-in closet. And this is bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 2 has a large closet as well. Our 3rd bedroom. A little linen closet. And the 2nd full bathroom. And then the last room is bedroom 4. And this one is very spacious as well and has a large closet. And this home does sit on a big corner lot. Take it outside. There is a pond.
Providing the perfect backdrop for enjoying sunsets from your back patio.
If you're interested in this home, you can give Michael Vandegrift a call. Thank you.